What's up, YouTube? Short video today. We just have to talk about last night's Caribbean Cup semi-final leg 1 between Harbour View and Cavaliers. As you all know, Cavaliers are the beaten finalists from last year's Jamaica Premier League final, and they're now doing their thing here in the Caribbean Cup. And I can say that this tie basically seems that it's over. You can basically pencil in Cavaliers in the Caribbean Cup final because them shellac Harbour View 5-0. 5-love them drop last night, and it was very easy. Based on watching the game, they exploit a beautiful tactical game on Harbour View. I worked to a T. They sat back and condensed the spaces, forcing Harbour View to shoot from far or try them best with float balls in from wide, and it was just ineffective. And they just execute a good plan up top and finish basically almost every chance them get. Harbour View basically had no answers, and they could not break down a resolute backline and midfield and system from Cavaliers. So it's a good look for Cavaliers. Harbour View basically, and this is considered Cavaliers' away leg, so they also have the away goals on their side. So if Harbour View have any miracle of going through, they've got to drop 6-love in I think the match is next week, second leg. But Cavaliers looking good. I know I said in the review show that Mount Pleasant looked like the answered favorite to retain them title in the league, but if it's one team out there who can beat them, it seems to be this Cavaliers team. They're scoring goals for fun. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video, man. Cavaliers again 5-0 over Harbour View. They await the chance to play a team from either Dominican Republic or Suriname in the final, and that final is very important because the winner, and I think the finalists as well, but the winner definitely gets a spot in all regions, basically Champions League, which is called the Concacaf Champions Cup, which is a big chance because you never know, if in the luck of the draw you might get Lionel Messi and Inter Miami here in Jamaica, or even Andreas Blake from Philadelphia Union, the MLS team. So it's a good look. This is where Jamaican teams need to be. If you want to be the best league in the Caribbean, we have to annually have one representative in the Champions League. But anyway, that's it here. Again, 5-0 Cavaliers. Stick around, subscribe for any news on Jamaica Premier League and its teams.